Good morning, students, from Sanap teacher. Chapter number 5, Towards Green Energy, Energy Transformation in Thermal Power Plant. Since thermal energy is used here to generate electrical energy, such power plants are called thermal power plants. In thermal power plants, the chemical energy in the coal is converted into electrical energy through several steps which are shown in figure. First, chemical energy in coal. Then, from this thermal energy, then kinetic energy in steam. The next step is kinetic energy in turbine, and last electrical energy is produced. येथे औष्णिक ऊर्जेचा वापर करून विद्युत ऊर्जा निर्माण केली जाते, म्हणून अशा पॉवर प्लांट्सला थर्मल पॉवर प्लांट असे म्हणतात. यात कोळशातील रासायनिक ऊर्जेचा वापर करून विद्युत ऊर्जा निर्माण केली जाते. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज schematics of thermal power plant. If you see a thermal power station, you will observe two types of tower there. What are they? If you observe the schematics of thermal power plant in figure, you will get answer to this question. Compare the schematics of thermal power station with block diagram above and you will understand how the boiler, turbine, generator and condenser are arranged in power station. After combustion of fuel in the boiler, the emitted gases are released to the atmosphere through very high tower. Once the turbine is rotated using the steam at high temperature and high pressure, steam temperature and pressure decreases. This steam is converted back to water by taking out heat from it. This is done in the condenser using water in the cooling tower. The water in cooling tower is circulated through the condenser. Heat energy in steam is given to the water and steam condenses back to water. The heat absorbed by the water is then released to atmosphere through vapor and heated air through cooling tower. In this electricity generation today, it suffers from certain problems. What are these problems? The problems are as follow. First is air pollution due to burning of coal. Burning of coal results in emission of gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and these are harmful to health. Second problem is this may cause serious health problems related to the respiratory system. And third is the reserves of fuel used in this method, that is coal, are limited. Therefore, in future there will be limitations on the availability of the coal. The next topic is power plant based on nuclear energy. Here, steam turbine is used to rotate the generator. However, here the energy released by fission of nuclei of atoms like uranium or plutonium is used to generate the steam of high temperature and high pressure. The energy in the steam rotates the turbine, which in turn derives the generator producing electricity. Thus, here nuclear energy is converted into thermal energy. Thermal energy is converted into kinetic energy of steam. Kinetic energy of steam is converted into kinetic energy of turbine. And finally, kinetic energy of the turbine is converted into electrical energy. In this way, the step-by-step transformation of energy is shown in figure. In Marathi, this transformation is shown in figure. अणूतील ऊर्जेचे रूपांतर औष्णिक ऊर्जेत, तर औष्णिक ऊर्जेचे रूपांतर वाफेतील गतिज ऊर्जेत होते. वाफेतल्या गतिज ऊर्जेचे रूपांतर टर्बाईनमधील गतिज ऊर्जेत होते आणि शेवटी विद्युत ऊर्जा निर्माण होते. The neutrons released in the reaction release more energy through fusion of more uranium nuclei. This process of fusion of uranium-235 atoms continues and is called the chain reaction. In nuclear power plant, control chain reaction result in release of thermal energy used for electric energy generation. The nuclear power plant does not use fossil fuel like coal. Therefore, problems like air pollution do not arise. Also, if sufficient nuclear fuel is available, this can be a good source of electrical energy. However, there are few problems. These are as first is the products after fission of nuclear fuel also radioactive and emits harmful radiation. How to dispose the nuclear waste safely is a big challenge before the scientist. As accident in nuclear power plant can be very fatal. This is because accident may result in release of very harmful radiation.